Yiwu Weihui Paper Products Company Limited has the relation factory, Dongyang Weihui Paper Products Company Limited, in Dongyang. Our founder has been in the display industry for 11 years. We have a team of experienced designers and professional sales. Dongyang Weihui covers 4,600 square meters. All products from Weihui are high demand in design, material, printing, surface finish, and handwork. The stable structure and fashionable style can promote and show your products in the best way. Dongyang Weihui has full sets of equipment, includes digital proofing and rapid computer prototyping, semi-automatic paper laminating, semi-automatic die cutting machine, automatic die cutting machine, and special customized automatic glue binding machine. One of the most important equipment and special one is the automatic die cutting machine, 4,000 pieces papers die cutting per hour, and a host of unique quality control features can achieve every customer requirement. We won a leading position in both of quality and delivery with strict quality control on whole production for years. With FSC certificated and 7S management factory, each part of production will be upgraded and connected better and smoothly from raw material control to craftsmanship during the system management. Our products were exported to North American, Europe, Australia, and Mideast countries. Our core technology, win-win cooperation, developing together, we are looking for partners all over the world. Join us and work together.